one. We are now going to be trading live here at Iqcent. So you will find link in the chat if you want to be part of live sessions with me. Currently I am not accepting more people here at Iqcent, but you can, by the way, check out the link that you find there. So now let's see. I'll just check that everything is in order and we will get started to trade. So looks like we are live, everything is in order. Cool. And just bear with me. We will just choose the pairs that pay us the most. So I choose to keep this live session today open for all, just to see how many people come in. This one we have. Let's add a few here now, let's see. Take that one. So I've been trading live now, basically for more than 2 years. So start to be a while. That one, do we have that one? Yes, we have. That one. I see I need some coffee to wake up. Now let's see. Take that one. Today quite many pairs, by the way. I like that. More pairs, more trading opportunities. I don't think we take any cryptocurrency today. And we can add gold. Sweet. Okay. Then right off the bat we have a trading opportunity down here. Let's take a look. I'm disregarding. We have one there. Right. Let's see. As long as you don't break too much down here now, that will be good. But let's see. First trade in. Let's see if we get a winner. Always when I take a trade, we will start to look if we find something else, because we don't sit looking at trade. Doesn't make any sense. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. Here we can see we have a trend upwards. There's not much we can do here. If you even consider anything here, you will come to a squeeze. So it's never a good thing. So when I take a trade, I typically use my time to see if I can find something else, so we have more trading opportunities. Like here, for example, it looks like we might get something good here. We see that it's a good support area. So let's mark it and have a look. From there to about there. We won that one, by the way, so let's bring up the good old calculator. 78. Okay. Now let's go here. Let's take another line in the middle there. So how it works, when I make these lines you see here now, you see I have an upper line and a lower line. Basically my target is to get a trade within these two lines here. The white line, if I make a white line, that is where I'll push the up button. So when you come down to the white, then normally I get a trade within this two. Let's see if I can make this a little nicer there. So let's see now. If we can get a trade here, that would be a good start of the day. We see he broke up, right? He breaks straight through the resistance. Now this is turn support. Many people ask me like, do you trade every support and resistance? And the answer is definitely no. If you do that, you will lose money. We choose out just the best ones, of course. So now let's take a look here. So now currently I'm live in Academy, and you're live in YouTube. Like I said, I did close down my single group for here a little while ago, so I have not taken a new. But today I decided to keep it open. So typically it's for the Academy I'm trading live. But as I'm trading live every single day, I was thinking today we could take an open one in YouTube. So just so people can keep a little company while I'm live, by the way. And you have an opportunity to check out my links in the chat, where you will be able to see if you would like to join anything there. Now let's see. Almost a trade. We almost got a trade on this white line. Just almost. And I was very slow on the trigger there. I think my entry is around there. Not the best entry. I'm not holding my breath for this one here. That's why we only need to keep it within the set of rules, and this time I was a little slow on the trigger and we got a bad entry, but we still might win it, of course. Let's see, we are now currently quite deep in money. It is 20 seconds left. Let me see if they're coming in some people. Currently, no, it's okay. It's 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and but we won this one. So another $78 profit. We can't complain about that. So now let's take that into the calculation. 78. So $156. That is pretty darn good. I'm satisfied with that. Let's continue. Let's see if we can get in more trades here. So we have a good start. Now let's take a look. Let's see how this will go. Let's see. I'm looking for an entry, like you know, on the white line there. And almost. I basically pushed up button when we come down to this white line. I'm thinking about making myself a coffee, but I would like to have a trade going on while I do so. If we start to break higher than this, we move on. Let's see. If we can just get in around there now, looks like you want to go upwards. Then I think we'll just move on. There and there. That's a place also. Let's zoom in. I think we would like to have a little better entry than this. Anything in between. Oh, there we are in. Let's see how that goes. I'll go and make myself a coffee while we wait this trade. there, let's see, we are deep in the money for that one also. 3, 2, 1, and we got it. Sweet. Now there's $78. So profit currently is 234. Sweet. Let's edit this a little. We put the upper line here now. We can see the lowest one is this one here. So anything about here now will be nice. So we are looking for trade in between. Now we do see a trend here. We are always aware. Looks like it's actually breaking it here now, so that's nice. But always, if you can draw a trend line, do it, because that can remove some of your losses. Okay. So now let's see here. I'm sorry if it's a little dark from my camera here now. It's because I like to have it not too light in morning, because it's early morning for me here in Brazil. So my eyes is not completely used to the light yet. It's like, that's why I'm drinking coffee like hell here. So, but by the way, we have a good start. 3 trades, 3 winners. We're still waiting, but I think, by the way, if you choose to go up again now, we will start to get a little squeeze. So I think we will move away from this pair. Let's see if we can find something else. Okay, like I said, draw trend lines if you can, and you see here a bottom trend line here. You see that it's going downwards. If you have trend lines like this, does not fit our strategy, so we're not taking that. Now let's take a look here. Might have a future area of trade, something between there and here, and you see he's basically testing this area now. That's a good thing. You see what happened when he came here, we got a big refusement. That's exactly what you want to see. Are we trading on this one if you go down again? No, we always need to have one test like this to just see, like, this is perfect what he's doing now. If you just stop here and go up again, then we can edit this line a little, and we can, because we see it's not unheard of that you do that. And there, let's see now what we can do. I will then say an entry in between here. I'm marking still, so I'm not taking trades. There, now let's see, if you come there again, I will take it, let's see. Let's see, about there, we'll take it. Let's see. We are ready. You see, I lost some trading opportunities by making the lines, but this is also to be fair with the ones that are following me, that you have the same opportunities to take the trade like me. Sometimes, of course, I come in and it's just too good trade, I take it. But in these cases here, I thought it was fair enough to be fair. And you see, he sometimes copy the bar of the other one. It's something to do on this broker. I do not actually like it that much, but he do, because it gives you a little wrong view of the bars. But what's gonna do? Oh, I don't know where my entry came here. I think it's around here. It should be good enough, so let's see. I think we can move along while you're waiting, see if we can find something else. Here, for example, like I said, if you can draw a trend line, do it. That means, for example, if you're considering trading a resistant area up here with the line up here, you know that it's not a good idea, because you have a trend pushing us upwards, and you see I've done it for a little while, so he can easily push you through a good resistance. So when you can draw trend line, it's for you to be aware that it's not good. Now let me just go and get my coffee and we can continue. looks like we got another win. This time $72. So let's put that into the calculation. Let's move this one over here, just so you know where we are. Let's check. Okay, he made a lower here. We don't like that so much, but let's see to the left. We might need to edit our settings. Something like this. Let's go in, zoom in, make it nicer. Now you see our entries a little different, but we are still trading here. So now we just need to add. So if you're now a new one following into this live session, check out the link if you want to trade together with me. I am not typically live here in for everyone in YouTube. I trade privately, so check out the link if you want to trade together with me. So we have till now today done 4 trades, all 4 is winners. And as you can see, it's very easy to copy my trades. I make it very clear where we take entries, and we are, you see here now, for example, we are waiting. So we do our entry here now on this white line. Let's now see if you can get under again. So we are going to be trading 1 hour today. We have been trading soon 20 minutes. So we have good time left. So I guess we'll get a lot of trades today. Don't expect me to win every single trade. My win rate is around 75%. So that is something based on over 2 years trading live. And that is not only for this broker, that is for every broker I'm trading. It's averaging around the same, the win rate, I mean. So that is what you should expect. So we can easily, for example, lose 2-3 trades in a row, that's possible. But overall, win rate is 75%. And 75% make us money. So, now let's see here now. We are, like I said, if this bar here now can just come down to this white line, we'll take a trade. And just for simplicity here now, let's make if he close with the bar above, let's make that one like this color. If he close with the bar above this line here, we move on, because that will show me that he probably will start to move upwards. So now let's see. So as long as we stay in between here, we can keep this one open and wait for a trade down here. By the way, if you have any questions, just ask it in the chat. I check in once in a while, not often, but once in a while. Okay, we just might get something here very soon now. I'm ready. You see I'm holding the mouse over the up button. So if we come down to this white line now, I will fast click. But if for some reason this bar should pass your lower blue area, we are not taking a trade, okay? There, I'm in. And you know what? I think I got a good entry. So now we just need to wait 30 seconds. You see now we are deep in the money. Now we just need to wait 18 seconds and hopefully collect ourselves another profit. Looks like we're getting our first loss of the day. We got it there. Okay, annoying, but nothing you can do. Then we are done with this pair here. Let's take off my calculator, minus 100. We will also collect our cashback thing up here a little later today. So there you see, now we have 4 winners against 1 loser for today. Now let's see if we can find something else that can be tradable. I do see an area up here, we have a trendy, so I will mark everything. We will take our time to do it correctly. So let's enter in between there. But also we need to be aware of the trend. Looks like it's something like this. Let me see, like this. We still have some room, so we can take a trade up there now. Let's see if we go more up. Entry, let's take it there. That is my entry line. So like another one, we have a white line that shows us where we want to enter. So if you come up to this white line there, because here you can see now we have a trend going upwards. There will be a squeeze, but currently we see we have quite a lot of space, and I'm not too worried about this trend line just yet. But in a few minutes later, then of course there will be a squeeze. The market need to choose, are we going to stop here or break downwards, or is this trend line so strong that it will break us through this resistance here also. So this trend line is to help us to not take trades later on. But currently I feel it has so much space that at least on this bar, I'll say one more bar, we can take a trade. Sorry for this background sound. I'm also if you check out my links, you'll figure out I'm also doing mining on my cell phone. I do quite a lot of things. I trade crypto, trade forex, I trade binary option. I love robots that trading for me. I love mining, cloud mining. Don't have so much opportunities for mining on miners here in Brazil for many reasons. One of them is that it's too warm here. I got an entry there, by the way. It's too warm, so it's difficult. You need to have much cooling to be mining here. Plus also things are too expensive here. Like for example, computers in Brazil can be sometimes the double price of Europa or United States. So that's why I'm not mining that much directly by myself here in Brazil. That's why I like to use cloud service where I can get the same deal like everyone else. Now looks like we might get a winner. Let's see, one, and we got it. A little lucky, but we got it, and that's okay. But as you see, this bar go like this. We are not taking more trades, but good, we got a win. We take that to the bank. Let's move on. We are not trading more here. Now let's see what more we can do. Nothing else here. Nothing here. You can clearly see a trend going downwards like this. We don't like trends, we stay away. Steep trend upwards, we can trade that. Here we actually do have something, and I will take a trade there. Let me make the white line also. We enter there. Let's do that. Now we can steal this trend line. I put it here, so we do have a trade here also. A little not so steep. I think we can trade here for the next 2 minutes or so. Let's see. We will follow it. See, so our entry now is on this white line. Current profit till now is 284. Let's see. And I mean, we got the entry a little below the white line, but I think it's good enough. Let's see. As long as you don't do that, of course. He shows the break now. The trend line did break us up. Yeah. But we can still win. But we need some luck here. 5, 4, 3. Come on. 2, 1. We lost it. This time we were unlucky. And we lost the trade, but we were very close to win actually. But let's take -100. Let's collect this $14 here now. So plus 14. So $198 profit till now. Here, let me see. We have a trend looking something like this. And you see, I don't feel he's forming any good support, so we're not trading there. Now let's take a look here. We do have a trend going downwards, coming down to a squeeze here. Otherwise this area could have been tradable, but as this squeeze is so close, we can't take it. Let's check out gold. Okay, let's see up here. Is this an area? It might just be. Now we also can see that we probably have a trend looking something like this. I think we can take a trade. Actually have a low we broke here now, close it, and we can trade up there. And we might even have an area down here. Let's see. We'll get to that. Let's see how the bars form first. I would still trade up there, but not too long, I think. Let's see. It is a squeeze coming here now very soon. I think we only trade on this bar. Let's see if we can get up here. I'm looking for more like the mid area up here. Let's see. Come on now. Oof, super late on the trigger. Let's see if we win. While we wait, as I don't think we have more trading opportunities there, by the way. Let's leave it like this. Let's start to look if we can find something else. We see that there's a support here. Sorry, there's a support area down here. But it's not, it's very huge, so it's not something I can trade. Okay, we see to the left that this actually was an area. So let's mark something up there. There, let's go back, let's move in, let's take a look. Yeah, we can take a trade there. Let's see. By the way, we won the trade here. That's nice. We can't trade on this one more, by the way. I was too slow on the trigger there. There we're in. But that's good, we got a better entry on this one. So let's bring the calculator up. Plus 78. While we wait this one, let's see if we can find something more. As you see, I do check other things while you have a trade going on, because I don't want to take multiple trades on it, by the way, so why wait and look? We use the time to see if we can find other trades, because that will, through the live session, make so you take more trades. Now I want to see what's going on here, so now we can go back and take a look. We lost it actually. You see, it was beautiful before here, but now it just goes straight through it. You see, this area was super strong before, so it made sense to take a trade here. But we see that he broke straight through it. That was not expected, to be quite frankly. I was not expecting us to go straight through it like this. Let's take this for dollar, because that will make a round number. $180 profit till now. So it's not bad, but it's not too good either. We have lost total 3 trades today, and we have won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remember what I said in the start, we have around 75% win rate. We have taken 9 trades now, and we have 6 of them winners. Now let's see. Okay. You see here we are still respecting. You see now he's testing the trend line, you see. Very steep upwards. We can't trade anything up there. Now let's see, we can look here. I'm looking at trading opportunities. This area up here is actually not so bad when you look. I would even say could be a little higher. So entry between there, let's say there, can be something. Here should be a support. We see that this was a resistant, but he just broke straight through it. No, even not even a question about that. No, let's see. No, need to be looking a little. I think a bottom area here that start to look good. So if we have a line there, and probably take the bottom one there, and we can say we take an entry around there. That could be something. I do like that. In the top, let's zoom out to have more information around here. Do you know what up here is actually one also? Let's see. I'll mark it. Not white. Let's make it blue. Another one there. With an entry around there. Let's make it white. And now we have ourselves a trading zone, I call it. That means we have one in the bottom, one in the top. So if you come up here, we take a trade down. If you come down here, we take it up. Does it mean that you'll get many trades? We never know. We can remove this trend line at least. So now let's see. Now we just need to wait and see how this pans out. Let's zoom in a little. If you're just tuning in right now, I trade live just like this every single day. You want to join my live sessions, just use the link that you find in the chat. I typically do it private. So if you want to trade together with me, just use the link that you find to the right. Now let's see. Oh, it's just a waiting game here. I really hope this will not be too boring to be waiting here. But we have two so good entries. Let's see. While we're in the middle, we could maybe check out if you find something else. We just might have something here also. We can switch a little in between them. An entry there probably could work for gold. Let's do like this, jump a little in between these two. Now we are closer for the gold. We can remove this trend line, it's not valid more. We do see a new trend line forming, so we are aware. But for now we have much space. Like I said before, always if you have a way to draw a trend line, you do it because you rather do it now, because later here you will maybe come to a squeeze and maybe will not be a good idea to trade, even though you see it's a beautiful area. When this comes to a squeeze a little later, he will need to choose, will he break the trend line and go downwards, or will he break upwards? Okay, so drawing these trend lines will help you in the future. Okay, now let's see if we will get a trade up here. I think for talking about this trend line, I think we can do for a couple of more minutes. Let's check here what's going on here. Nothing here, so we can continue on the gold. We're getting closer to a trade here now. I'm ready to go in, by the way. You can see now I start to hold my mouse over the down button, and I'm in there. I got an entry even better than what I wanted. Got it a little above the white line. So while we wait this one, we can then start to look back here. Nothing. No need to be sitting waiting looking this one. Now while we're waiting, we can see if we can find ourselves some other trading opportunities. We can bring this one to the start over here. Here I see nothing. 30 seconds left. Looks like we're winning that trade. We've been in the money all the time. We have not even seen it blink it one time, so that's nice. Here I see nothing. Let's see here. Nada. Zip. Oof, started blinking the last seconds. We don't like that. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we got it. Let's go back and take a look. I will not take a trade while I'm calculating. So 78. Okay, now let's take a look here. I will re-elevate this one. Let's see. I'll take my enter a little higher. There, let's see. Because you see the squeeze is coming. I think we can do it on one more bar. Let me see. I feel we still have some space. What he's doing now, I actually like, because maybe he's breaking the trend line. But if he now, yeah, he closed that side. Cool. I'm not taking trade up here now, by the way, because he's coming into it again. This is a very bad idea to take a trade. He will now probably shoot up, because when you have a bar that go like this, with the momentum he have, he can easily break it. You see now that he's below, but the bar is moving so fast That means it's now a fight between buyers and sellers, and now I take it a 50-50, he will go upwards. So let's wait and see. If you are trading, you basically looks like you're losing it now. You see, you might get lucky, but don't trade now, because you see now it's a big fight. The trend line is pushing, and looks like if you are taking a trade, you would have won it now, but that was just pure luck if you do take it. Now let's move on. We are not trading more on this one, by the way, and you see what's happening. So let's move on. Let's collect this $2 also. So plus 2, we have $260 profit till now. Our win rate, I said in the start when we were calculating, I have 75% win rate. That is based off 2 years of trading. So you can see here now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, exactly 10 trades. And out of 10 trades, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see from 10 trades, we have 7 wins. I basically have 75% win rate. So a little better, but this, of course, we need hundreds of trades to get a correct value, and that is 75% basically. So, but you see, the win rate today is more or less, you see, following the average, but it's not always like that, just so you know. It's based on 2 years of live trading every single day, and sometimes I take up to 30 trades in live session, and other times can be as low as 5, but mostly it's like today, between 10 and 15 trades in my live session. You can see here now he's still continuing the long-term trend upwards. That means if you're considering anything up here, it's risky. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, and once again, if you have any questions, just ask it in the chat. I happily answer everyone. Now let's see here. Nope, nothing. Zip. How are we in time? We have still good time left, so we still can get in some more trades, I see. Let's draw a trend line here. So if you're considering, for example, this support here, you can see it's not a good idea because of the trend line. So once again, always when you have opportunity, draw these trend lines, because you see, yes, here looks like you have a good support, but the trend line will push you down. Maybe not, but you see he's doing it now, so that's something you always need to be aware of. Draw your trend lines. Okay, here we have a good support around down here. Let's mark it and see if the bars will come down there. I will say around there. Let's see, I'm not drawing a white line yet. We need to see what this bar will, the bars coming will do. We are looking for something around here, but I would like to see what he will form. If he'll do something like we see over here. For now, he have not calmed down. Typically, our entry could be in the middle area here, but we need to see if he will form the same support. For now, it's too early. He did just pin our line here. You can see the upper, and we can see that from the past he have done that a few times also. But what I would like to see is that one more bar would go and pin, for example, the lower line. If you get a pin on the lower line and go up again, that could start to make me an area where I can start trading. Okay, because then I have enough information from the past to the new, and it's enough that you can from what I see here, we have enough so that we can get a win rate around 75%. I always look to the left to get clues, to calculate. I always calculate a little in the head, and I see possibilities for trades. But like I said, I would like him to pin the lower line also now. If you do that, then I can start to draw myself an area where I can start to trade. So let's see. We might get one now, let's see. While we wait, let's check cryptocurrency for today. I always am curious about that. Okay, Bitcoin is going stable around 66 to 66,500 ish. Let's check our Pepe. It's going strong. It's going upwards. Cool. Okay, let's move back. Let's fast check the other coin that we are investing in. We are in this one. Okay, it's going around 30. It's a little slow. It's not going so strong. Okay, enough with cryptocurrency. Let's see how it's not what they're going to do. We need him, like I said. I would like him to come to the bottom line or a little below it so we can start to draw our entry area. I believe we'll get a trade on here. We just are waiting for him to confirm it. Let's see. And it's not written in stone that you never get a trade, but this is how I build up a trading area, is to get a upper and lower area of the trade, and then I can take my entries. Currently we did not get a lower, so then I can't trade on there. If it was a more recent area, I could do it right away. That is a little far away. I need a little more information to take a conclusion about the trade here. Yeah, still not gone. If we start to go above and go upwards here, we move on. But currently he's still within striking distance to take a trade. Like now, for example, looks like he's going away. So then, depending if this bar close up here, this can also be a bearish move that they go up, get a big refusement, and draw the line down here. That would show me, but then also would be scary because he could then get momentum and break down. Let's wait and see what will happen. It looks like he's going upwards, and that means he will just move on. So no, let's move on. Okay, we might have our area there. Let's draw it. Something on line of there to about there. Let's take an entry around there. Let's make it white. Let's zoom in. Let's go. We are ready. I'm ready to take a trade. If we can just get up to this white line. The white line is it's where we'll push the down button, basically. We see that fits quite good here, so let's see if we can get up there again, and almost there. We can see to the left here that is not unheard of, but now of course you want to break up. We probably will lose that one here now. I don't like what I'm seeing. I really don't like it. 30 seconds, and our entry is basically around here, so this looks bad. did not want a losing trade like this in the end of the live session. But what can we do? Let's see. It's a little better now. So we lost this one here. Yeah, he even was close to our entry in the end, but we lost it. We have $162 profit till now. Now let's see. Dollar against Canadian, American. So American dollar against Canadian dollar. It's testing the support area here now. Let's see here now what we can do. The reality is that I like this one much better. You see up here now it's broken. So I'm not trading up here, just so you know. We're only looking down here. It is too far away. So let's check out gold. Gold did shoot up, but you see he's still staying below this area here. Okay. Proper doctors going straight up. Not sure what you meant there, but I guess we saw one of the bars that just shoot up. And that's the thing, sometimes when you get momentum they shoot through every support and resistance. Now in the top here it's actually an area from the past. We can see up around there to about, let's do there, and the best entry I would say there. I would like an entry there, but we need one test first. So if you could get one bar to go up and test something up here and go down again, could be something for us. But let's see. I'm not sure if you have time for it. We are coming to the end of this live session. If you do like this, if you're just visiting, check out the link that you find in the chat if you want to be a part of this type of live sessions. Now let's see. You just need to be waiting. Okay. Just get a little momentum so you can come up to there, would be nice. Let's see. Okay. Basically we are not trading on these bars, okay? We want him to do a test and go down and then we can trade. So that is the plan. We can't take a trade on the first time we go up because it's a little while ago. I need to remember we are trading on the 1 minute, so support or resistance in the past does not always need to be a support resistant in the future. Now we got a nice test there that could be good enough for us, that I can take a trade on the white line later. Let's see what this bar will do first. I think I do like it. Let's see. He got a good refusement, but let's see. Come on now. We'll take a trade on the white line if we get up there. Let's see. if we get up there in the time we have left. We are in the ending minutes here now. Let's wait and see. Says reconnecting down here now. Let's see what will happen when you connect again. There, okay. I think that is enough for today. Today we did 11 trades. We got 6 winners. No, 7 winners, I mean. 11 trades, 7 winners. We made a profit of 162, not the best. Typically we have a little better than that, but profit is profit. We did okay. I will be back again tomorrow. Probably I keep it open tomorrow also, but for the ones that really want to follow me full time, you need to check out the link and sign up so you can trade together with me. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow.